Hello, hello. Welcome to the final episode of our series, the Marketplace Chopper Assemble, the conclusion to the series. Today we get to put our tins back on the bike that we got back from paint and finish wiring it up and get it off the lift and see how she feels hogging down the road. So let's get started. All right, first thing we're gonna get installed is this bobbed rear fender, fresh back from paint. I've gone ahead and installed the stock tail light back on it because this particular model has the mounts already in place. It also has the mounts for the license plate bracket and the seat mount and the guide that keeps the wires off the rear wheel. But yeah, let's get it installed. All right, we'll solder on my wires for the ground, brake light, and the tail light. So we can run that to the brake switch. All right, feed these through down to the brake switch. Solder connector for the running light. All right, so the way these are gonna go, I got the brake light, which is the red with the yellow tracer mark, and then the running light, which is the red with the white tracer mark. So these are both gonna go on the brake switch. I don't think this is directional, so it doesn't really matter which side, but the running light that runs to the light and the running light power wire that runs to the fuse panel will be paired together. All right, we'll put them on the brake switch. That's a tight fit. Good Lord. Plug our connector housing in. All right, this is our tail light ground wire. That's gonna go to the negative terminal on the battery. All right, let's get these tanks mounted. I'm very eager to see what these things look like. All right, I'm gonna use these leather washers. Buddy Dan made these for me, but I'm gonna protect the paint on here. All right, that about does it for the Marketplace Chopper Assemble. I am beyond stoked on how this bike turned out. All these lowbrow parts completely changed the look of this Softail. Jay from Solvent Division did an amazing job on the paint. Love how it feels. Thank you, Lowbrow, so much for providing all these parts and making this series possible, and thank all y'all for tuning in.